Do you ever wonder what the secret might be to passing your GCE exams? Well, there isn't just one secret, but rather a series of steps that can guide you towards that sweet success. Today we dive into the world of effective studying techniques and take a look at 4 hidden tricks that could be the key to acing your GCE exams this year. Step number 1 in this process is quite simple. Start studying early. Yes, it might sound a bit cliché, but it's a tried and tested method that works. The earlier you start, the more time you give yourself to learn, understand, and revise. More than just studying early, it's also important to create a study schedule. Having a plan not only keeps you organized, but it also ensures that you cover all your subjects and topics evenly. Moving on to step number 2, practice makes perfect. This age-old adage holds especially true when it comes to exams. Practicing past exam papers can be an invaluable resource in your preparation. It familiarizes you with the format of the paper, the type of questions you can expect, and it gives you a sense of timing, which is crucial in any exam. Our third trick is all about making your study sessions more efficient. Ever heard of mnemonic devices or flashcards? These are tools that can help you remember important information. They turn learning into a more interactive and engaging process, which can make remembering complex information a breeze. Finally, step number 4 urges you to stay focused and avoid distractions. In our digital world, distractions are always just a click away. But remember, every moment spent scrolling through social media or watching a random video is a moment taken away from your study time. So create a study environment that is free from distractions and make the most of your time. As we wrap up, don't forget the importance of rest and nutrition. Despite all the studying, your brain needs time to rest and absorb all the information. Similarly, a well-balanced diet can boost your energy levels and improve your concentration. In conclusion, start studying early and create a study schedule. Practice with past exam papers, use mnemonic devices or flashcards for efficient studying, and stay focused by avoiding distractions. And of course, don't forget to rest and eat well. These are your 4 hidden tricks to passing your GCE exams this year. Now, go forth and conquer those exams.